case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1968, the Supreme Court of the United States heard Duncan v. Louisiana, a landmark case that challenged the parameters of a defendant's constitutional right to a trial by jury. At the center of the controversy was a Louisiana teenager named Gary Duncan, whose simple altercation with a white teenager unexpectedly ignited a legal battle for the fundamental rights of defendants nationwide. One afternoon, following reports by his black cousins of racial encounters after being transferred to a predominantly white school, Duncan encountered a group of 6 boys, including the teenager. He was later charged with simple battery, a misdemeanor offense in Louisiana, for slapping said teenager on the elbow. The law provided that such misdemeanors were not subject to a jury trial. Consequently, Duncan was sentenced to a 60-day jail term with a $150 fine by the trial judge, despite his and others' conflicting testimonies. Believing his rights were violated, Duncan appealed the decision to the Supreme Court of Louisiana, laying claim to his inherent right to a jury trial in cases involving serious crimes. His appeal fell on deaf ears, leading him to seek reprieve in the U.S. Supreme Court. In a profound decision, referencing the Sixth Amendment's provision for jury trials in cases other than petty crimes, the Supreme Court sided with Duncan. They decided that simple battery was indeed not a petty crime based on its maximum punishment of 2 years in prison, far exceeding the threshold defined by a maximum 6-month sentence and a $500 fine. The ruling emphasized the 14th Amendment's guarantee of the right to a jury trial, even in state criminal proceedings, marking a critical win for the safeguarding of civil liberties against arbitrary power. After the Supreme Court's verdict, the Louisiana court's decision was deemed erroneous, and the case was sent back for further proceedings, setting a significant precedent in interpretation of the U.S. Constitution in relation to jury trials.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.